Welcome to the Yes Connect online portal. My name is Cynthia. Here at the portal, you'll find access to all of your training, your monthly curriculum, support materials, video content, and more.
And me too.
And yes, our very enthusiastic backpack Paco and I will guide you as we move through this quick online training. Today, you'll learn about how the Yes curriculum, the Yes app, and our family engagement team support our teachers to instill a yes I can, yes I will mindset in every student every day. Ready to get started?
Yes!
Yes is a daily 10 to 15 minute whole group curriculum starting in pre-K through the second grade. The lessons are vertically aligned, so every grade level builds on the next. Every Monday through Thursday, your grab and go mini lesson includes an opening discussion, an interactive activity found on the app, and a closing. Friday recaps the week's learning with a journaling lesson for each grade level.
Got it! 10 to 15 minutes every day. Danica, our super curriculum writer, can you show us what the curriculum looks like?
Thanks, Paco. Each day has a 10 to 15 minute scripted mini lesson that's expertly designed for teachers by teachers to be fun, engaging, and technology rich. The curriculum is aligned with the TEKS and easy to navigate and implement, regardless of your teaching experience or comfort level with technology. Each daily lesson details exactly what Yes classroom content and app material is needed, along with clear, measurable learning objectives for teachers to post and assess. Yes kicks off in September with fun countdown messages sent from us to your classroom to build excitement and anticipation for what's to come. When September ends, the fun begins. Each month will have a specific focus to help you create a Yes I Can attitude with your students. You can find the year at a glance in the table of contents in the beginning of the curriculum. A typical week of Yes lessons in your classroom will include specific app content, corresponding vocabulary, clear learning objectives, and multiple TEKS tie-ins. Monday through Thursday activities include classroom discussions, songs, and gameplay. Fridays are Yes journaling days, where students in all grades take time to write and illustrate their content mastery for the week. This is a perfect opportunity for students to practice their literacy skills while showing off what they learned. Each lesson has an opener, activity, and closer, and a time frame to help keep you on track. Yes lessons are most effective when taught daily, regardless of your class schedule. Yes lessons can work at any time of the day, and we've seen great results when used first thing in the morning to set a positive tone for you and your students. We hope you have as much fun teaching our Yes lessons as we had creating them.
Wow! It sounds like you've been working hard. Cynthia, could you show them all the exciting content in our app?
You'll access the app every day from your classroom devices. Now, the Yes app also works across all devices, desktops, laptops, tablets, and even your smartphone. Once you open the app, you'll find videos, songs, puzzles, and fun activities you and your students will absolutely love. Here's a quick sample of what you'll find.
Thanks, Cynthia. Let's take a look. ¡Qué emocionante! That was exciting. Now, you guys gotta meet our family engagement team, our success coaches.
Thanks, Paco. Let's take a more in-depth look at family engagement. Paco, what do you think family engagement looks like?
Oh, that's when moms and dads come to school and help the teachers and grandmas and grandpas bake cookies and bring them to PTA meetings.
Well, Paco, that is correct for some families, but not every family has time to do that.
Oh.
Luckily, Yes Our Kids Can is helping teachers in schools redefine what family engagement looks like by communicating with families through bilingual messaging and our unique Yes curriculum. We're helping families be more connected with what their kids are learning in school.
The best way to ensure success and to increase family engagement is to build awareness. You will be receiving communication from us within the next few weeks, and flyers to send out to your families.
That's right, and for us to be most effective, we want families to be informed on who we are, what to expect, and to know that we are a trusted resource for them.
That sounds easy.
That's right, Paco. We'll receive your family's contact information from the district and input them into our messaging platform. After that, we'll manage all the communications with your families from then on.
But what exactly are you going to be telling these families?
Each week, we will send text messages to your families that directly correlate with that week's YES curriculum. We will also be sending affirmations for the parent and guardians, encouragement, and the benefits of regular school attendance, and mini lessons that they can complete.
Well, that sounds really neat. Do you think I can get the messages too?
Paco, you don't have a phone.
Está bien.
Teachers, if you would like to receive these text messages, send us an email to support@ourkidscan.org.
Well, that wraps up the family engagement portion. With the Yes Our Kids Can curriculum and the family engagement team working for you, you'll reap all the benefits. More motivated students who are happier at school, and parents and guardians who are more involved in their child's education.
Wow! Thanks, Joanne and Sophia. So you get a customized daily curriculum, amazing app content, and inspiring success coaches, all aligned to make your job easier, more fun, and standards aligned? Cynthia, how do we get started using the YES program?
Let's just take a look at how to access the app. You can access the web version by logging into the appropriate grade level on the technology flyer, or you can log onto the app, which can be downloaded from the iTunes or Play Store. Once you log in, you'll choose School, enter your email, and click Check. And then verify that all of your information is correct: your email, your district, your campus, etc. If for any reason your information is not found, you can click on New User and complete your online profile to be added to the system. Once you're in, you can access the games, songs, and videos. Click the gear to access the settings to switch back and forth between English and Spanish, adjust the volume, or switch users. We hope that you and your students enjoy using the YES content as much as we enjoyed creating it. To recap, the YES curriculum runs throughout the school year, starting at the beginning of October through the end of May. Every month on the 15th, you'll access your next month's curriculum. You can either download and print it out or just access it directly from your device. It's totally up to you. Remember, the Yes Our Kids Can curriculum is vertical through all grade levels. That means your role as a teacher is critically important to prepare your students for success for the next grade level. We continue to see amazing results in every YES classroom, and we're excited about the many benefits you'll enjoy when the program is implemented daily. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, the YES program is designed to make your job fun and easy. And when implemented daily, you'll begin to see amazing results right away, including more engaged families, happier and more motivated students, and improved classroom management. Your next step is to register all of your devices in your classroom to you with your name and your classroom credentials. This is really important for your CPR reports, your classroom participation reports, which will be accessed by both your principal and your superintendent. We want to make sure you get 100% credit for all of your hard work. You'll also want to check out and familiarize yourself with the curriculum. You can download the curriculum right here on the training portal, as well as access the technology flyer. We're always here to help. If you have any questions, suggestions, or need help of any kind, just reach out to us at support@ourkidscan.org or live chat us right here on the portal. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us today. We are thrilled to partner with you to instill a Yes I Can, Yes I Will mindset in every student every day.